Hello guys, welcome to Koma Aja. This time we will be drawing a little pony. First of all, we'll start with the eyes. Draw the right eye first. And then draw the left side of the eyes, which is a bit smaller. After that, we draw a line in the eyes. Now, for a pupil, we will draw a smaller circle like so. Okay, now we will give her the eyelashes. And on the other side too. Then we will draw a nose by putting a small dot under the eye and connect it together. And draw an up curve to make the nose shape. And then we draw another curve down for the mouth shape. From here, we will draw another curve to make a face shape for the pony by connecting it with the mouth. To make a full face shape, we'll have to draw another curve that connects from the left eye to the middle between the eyes. And draw another long line to make the head shape for our little pony. Next, we draw an ear shape, a long line down the neck and a little line in the middle to make the ear shape appear more clearly. Now, move on to our little pony's hair. For the front hair, we'll draw the curly line one by one next to each other. And finish with the last curly line like this. Isn't her hair very beautiful? For the back hair, we'll draw down by connecting from the front hair to the back. Start with a curved line across the ear down and a little curve at the end. Then we continue to draw down the curve one by one next to each other like this to make a curly hair for a pony. Now we will finish the hair with more curves up like this and connect it with this line. Let's move to the body part by connecting from the chin to his point to create a neck for the little pony. And let's connect the curve from the neck to here to make a body shape. And another curve down here. Now connect the line down like this. Another side too, and close this gap with another line down. Here we got one leg of the pony. Let's draw another 3 legs by a line down here at the center. Another line down here. And another line down this side. Then close the gap on each side with a line. Okay, now for the front leg, we're gonna draw like this. One more line like this. And connect it like this. Ta-da! The leg is done! Now let's give her a lovely tail. For the tail, we draw a curly line like this. And another curve like this. And one more curve down here. We now connect the tail by drawing more curly line up like this. And finish with one more curve on the top here. Beautiful! Last thing to do is draw the detail of the curve. Start from the tail here and draw the line like this. And one more line here to here. And keep connected like this, one by one to the end of the tail. Now let's move with the head part. Draw the curved line like this. Draw another curved line here along with another line and connect each other. Now move to the back hair. Draw the curved line like this. Draw another curved line like this. Draw one more curved line here. And one more line here. Draw the last line like this. And we got a very beautiful little pony. That's all guys. I'll see you in the next coloring episode.